Nityanandam. Welcome back to my channel, and this is the fourth video which I am creating in this YouTube channel. I had been inactive for quite a long time, and it's time that I'm back with each and every one of you. And there is really lots that I've learned through this 6 months, and I've got such a big treasure to share with all of you. Understand one thing for this particular video. Listen, the thing which I want to share today as the essence of all that which I've learned is understanding the purpose of life is to hold the space of powerfulness all the time, irrespective of anything which happens in your life. Holding the space of powerfulness is all that you need. You are Sadashiva, radiating the space and the powers, manifesting the powers of Sadashiva. Understand one thing. You might have any problem in your life. You might have anger, no money, very bad health. You want to do something, but then it just goes away in vain. You start something new and it goes and then just gets destroyed. You might be wanting to do so many different things, but you feel that everything lands up, it's all gone, it doesn't work for me. If you are one of the persons whom I am speaking about, then this video is for you. Any powerlessness you go through in your life, understand that it is you who has created it. Understand. See, it might be difficult to cognize. How can it be that I have created the bad happenings in my life? Why would I want something which I don't like? Understand, manifesting reality is when what you believe only becomes reality, not what you want or what your desire is. Listen carefully. What you believe is what you manifest. Your desires don't get manifested immediately. And understand one more very important thing, that everything which is happening now is because you have aspired for it. You wanted it at one point in your past. The whole reason why it is happening now, look back. Just take a moment and look back. You will find out that everything that you've wanted is only happening. You might have thought at one point of time that if I get powerless about something, like if I cry for something, then I will be able to get it. And you might be wanting situations which make you cry or make you powerless. Or at the same time, like maybe you wanted to show yourself as, like when you get angry, how you get provoked and you express your anger, and you wanted to show your heroism. So you create situations where people make you angry all the time. The only one thing you need to understand is everything happening in your life is because you have wanted it. The only reason why you don't like it is because there is a distance between what you wanted and the time it is happening. It's like you wanted something few years before and it's happening now. And this gap is what is bringing the powerlessness into you. Get that? You're understanding? Be clear. It is so, understand, it is you who is creating the reality, manifesting the reality as you want. Understand, there is a good news to it. The moment you decide, you can change it, because you are the source of it. And the easiest way to do it, like if you're outside and you try to change because of all that nonsense which has gone into you. See, if you take cow dung and like how much ever you perfume it over it, it is only artificial. You won't be able to get the real because it's not, it's dung. You cannot have a perfume out of it. The only way is to clean it up. When you're outside, when you're powerless, you're only trying to perfume it with being artificial. Oh yeah, I'm good, how are you? No, that is not what we are here for. And world, you all have now come to a state where you understand that life is not about just acting out to people. If you want to go through the transformation from where you are, then you have the best opportunity where incarnation Sadashiva himself is coming down, is already down, has landed, avatar Paramahamsa Sri Nityananda is here living on this planet Earth, raising the consciousness to the next level altogether. Just like how the world created from a single celled amoeba to the fish, that was a physical breakthrough. From the fish moved on to a monkey, that was a physical and a mental breakthrough. From a monkey to human, that was a physical, mental and conscious breakthrough. Now, this era, the incarnation happened at this point of time to raise us all from the conscious breakthrough to the super conscious breakthrough, which means you are Sadashiva, means man to superhuman. You can become the superhuman. You might be anything. You might be anything. A thief, a robber, or the worst person, completely depressed, hopeless about your life. You want to give up your life, but you still have hope. That is Swamiji, Paramahamsa Nityananda. Understand, anybody, you might be anybody for this case. As I've shared in my previous videos, I was just a normal schoolboy and I had never interest to come anywhere here. But the cause of the transformation is because of Swamiji. And that same opportunity is now presented to all of you. You all have that wonderful opportunity. It is the Inner Awakening, a 21-day retreat starting from the July 25th. As I am a kid who has been brought up in the Nityananda Gurukul for the past 6 years, understand this video is for all of you, the parents and the kids who are watching. When it is coming to adults, it is like you have lots of garbage which you have already accumulated and which is stored in you through your years of life, through the past 20 years, 30 years of dump which is in you. But for kids, it's a fresh beginning. This program, the 21-day program, offers the best to your kid. And I commit with you, I guarantee you that by the time they move from this 21-day program, your kid will not just be a kid, it will be a superhuman. You might have heard about Indigo kids, but that's only a few of them. Here is the science of making them as Sadashiva. You have cartoons where Superman flies and goes, Spider-Man jumps and goes, and whatnot. So many different cartoons are available, but those are all only fantasies. As long as kids are living with fantasies, understand one thing, it only creates a deep guilt in them. Understand? It creates a guilt in them, because not only these cartoon characters are presenting that they are some supernatural powers they have, but they limit the cognitions of the kids that something like that is possible, because kids get to know that it is only cartoon and it's not possible. No. That period ends before 1978. After 1978, Swamiji has come down. So all this is possible. Right from seeing with your eyes closed, from being able to look through you and scan your body, sitting in one place, describing the whole house which you have, any place in the world you want, how many miles across it is. Just by looking at an object, cracking it, moving it. For instance, just take a coconut, keep it. The moment you look at the coconut through your third eye, it cracks. Understand? It cracks, splits into two, and the water drools out. The coconut milk comes out. Not just that, manifesting the powers where you are able to just get matter out of thin air. Literally matter. From the air, you can just get it, and you can get vibhuti, chocolates, kumkum, whatever you want. As kids, whatever you would like to choose, you can get anything out of there. So this is available for each and every kid. Understand, Swamiji is not just here teaching the science of enlightenment, but is here giving the experience of enlightenment. Understand, the Vedic tradition, the Hindu Sanatana Dharma, is not just some intellectual knowledge as this useless other gurus speak, Guruji speak, the trekker gurus who are abusing the Hinduism. They are the cause of Hinduism getting wiped out, but not anymore. When we are there, as we evolve under the guidance of Swamiji himself, manifesting these various powers, we will raise the Hinduism, the Vedic Sanatana Dharma, Hindu Sanatana Dharma to its glory back again. And you all are going to be a part of it. Understand, right? It can be any simple action. Just making a tea for your family. That can lead you to enlightenment. You can, like, for kids, like they don't want to go to school. So what they can do? Why do they don't want to go to school? Because of the pressure and all that which is going on. But understand, here there's a possibility, there's a power actually. I myself can download books, which means, understand, just like how you go into Google Chrome and then you press the download and then it downloads, exactly same way, very simple. Swam just swipes it in the air and inserts it into your brain, and it's all in. And any question you ask from that particular thing, you're able to verbatim answer it. So that's how powerful it is. So kids, understand, if you have a problem of memorizing things and keeping things in your memory, understand, Swamiji says, no memory is the best memory. He told this a few years ago. We never understood it. But now, we all experience it. We don't remember anything. We just get it whenever we want it. Einstein once said that when the value of pi, he was calculating something. So somebody asked him for the value of pi. And Einstein said, why should I remember it? Actually, Einstein didn't remember it. So he was trying to refer to something and find out. So one of the close followers of Einstein was very surprised that he who is able to cognize so many things, how come he doesn't even know the value of pi? He says, when things are available, why do I need to waste my memory thinking and remembering about something? That is a human way of thinking. When it comes to God, it is, you just don't need to remember anything in your life. When you want it, you know it. See, how many of you are having exam fear? So many of you. Be it adults, be it kids. So many of you are having the exam fear. But what is the reason because of all of that? Because of the struggle, the peer pressure and all that which you have gone through inside. This program, the 21-day program conducted by Swamiji, gives a breakthrough in all of this. And Swamiji completely clears everything and directly initiates you into these powers where you start manifesting all these things. And understand one thing, finally, so many of you are watching, you've already seen, you already wanted to make it to IA, but you have some problem. You don't have money, your parents are not giving you permission, your school is not giving you leave. It can be any reason. Your parents are not giving you the leave, or your school is not letting you come, examinations going on, anything it can be. Understand, it's only in your mind. As kids, understand, as kids, we all have this power in us to create anything which we want. Hey, look into your own life. Whenever you wanted to have something in your life, like suppose you wanted a chocolate, if you really wanted it, you would do anything to get it. Am I right? Same way, when you really want to make it and you want to manifest the powers of Sadashiva, understand, you can just make it. Your parents will agree. If you have exams will get postponed or cancelled. School will get shut down. You can do anything. Just manifest the reality which you want. And I am here to support everything by the grace of Swamiji. I am initiated into all these powers where I can manifest so many different powers which Swamiji has initiated me, and I can clear anything which you have. I have the Vak Shakti where when I utter something, that just immediately happens. So anything you feel as an obstacle, from kids side, whether your parents are not allowing or school is not allowing, your friends might think about something, any problem you have, just comment down in this video. As parents, your kids are not ready to accept or anything, I myself will directly take on a session with them where I can make them understand the importance of this. See, one thing, understand, unless you taste it, you will not know the benefit of it, how important it is. This 21-day program is for you to manifest and live literally Sadashiva. Understand? Sadashiva is not just a story. He is a happening who is happening now, and you are part of that happening. So you all can be Sadashiva. Get that? So with this, I take on this video, and anything you have to say, anything you want to comment comment down. Understand one thing, it is never late, and if you miss now, it's going to be a big miss, because postponing is the only thing. Listen, postponing is the only thing which can separate you from being Sadashiva. The moment you know you got the solution, jump to it. Whatever it might be, close your eyes, jump into it. By looking at this video, you got the solution for your life. If you have not attended the inner awakening still, then kids, enter in. Adults, enter in. This is your time that you take it on. Enough of suffering. You've gone through enough. And I will one-on-one support each of you who are watching this video in any obstacle that you have, be it money, health, wealth, any obstacle you have. Just comment down and I will reply back using all my powers. I commit with all of you that I, with the space of enriching, will take all the responsibility and express all the powers that I have to cause your reality happen, to make what you want happen. Understand, if you are watching this video, this is your turn and you are making it for the July 25th Inner Awakening. For more details, comment down and I will reply back, and soon I will come up with more videos helping you to understand how you can make it to live the science, the space and manifest the powers of Sadashiva. Thank you, Nityanandam.